Today we are going to learn labor variances, which is as similar as we had material variances in previous session. You have done, and we did few questions also. And you got to know also that variances are required to take corrective measures, where exactly you have calculated price variance, material cost variance, material quantity or usage variance, mix variance, yield variance, and we did few questions which has given us a clear idea where exactly there is a adverse or something wrong going on, whether it was with the pricing or whether it is with the quantity or it was regarding mixing or it was regarding yielding, etc. So like material, similarly we have labor variances also, and labor also has six variances. One additional variance we have with labor, and it is as similar as we had in material. Material price, similarly we have labor price, labor hours. So likewise, same thing, and whosoever will have their importance, thereby we need to consider it as standard minus actual, and finally we compare whether it is good or bad, and we write whether it is favorable or adverse to the company. Similarly, labor has six variances. Labor cost variance, total standard cost minus total actual cost. Labor rate or labor price variance, actual hours, standard price minus actual price. It is as similar as we had in material. Then labor hour variance, we had quantity, here it is hours. Standard price, standard hours minus actual hours. Labor mix variance, standard rate, standard mix hours minus actual mix hours. Labor yield variance, average standard price, standard input in hours minus actual input in hours. Idle time variance, standard rate into idle time. So this is how the six variances for labor is there. Kindly take down this, then we will take it up few questions based on labor variances. Once you have completed, just let me know. Then we'll go for questions based on labor variances.
होगा सर.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to question number 5, page number 79. Page number 79 we have. I hope few questions you must have practiced with your own. Yeah. This is the question 5. The Devesh Limited manufactures a particular product. The standard direct labor cost of which is rupees 120 and which is arrived as follows. Hours is given 30, 20 and 50. Rate is given. There are only two kind of labor. Okay. Grade of labor is explained in terms of X and Y. So these are given as a standard detail for the labor. And these are the actual details for the labor. Okay. So this standard is given for a single product, where actually we had produced 100 units. So we have to again revise as we did in first question of material. Material also we did the revision, given for 100 and we have revised for 12,000. Similarly, here it is given for 1, it has to be revised for 100. So I need your assistance. Actual I feel it is given, so we did not have to worry. So for 1 unit, it is 30, 20 and 50, right? Rate is given, amount is given. So for 1, it is this much. For 100, it will be then how much? 100 में कितना आ जाएगा बताइए? 1 के लिए इतना है तो 100 के लिए कितना होगा? बता सकते हैं? 1 के लिए अगर 30 आवर्स लगता है तो 100
2000 and 5000.
सॉरी
3000, 2000 and 5000.
absolutely right, absolutely right. So we will multiply by 100 and we'll get this value. Very correct. 3000, 2000 and 5000. Now 3000 rate is to, what will be the amount?
6000.
Here
6000.
total,
12,000.
so we got the value. So this is standard, revised standard for 100 units. These are actual standard for 100 units. Now we'll calculate the labor variances as it is given. As idle time is not given, so this cannot be calculated. So again, as we did in material, here also 5 variances will be calculated. ये 5 के 5 variances हम लोग calculate करें. Okay. Let us take first. What will be labor cost variances? So this table is ready with us. Now what will be labor cost variance? Formula is total standard cost minus total actual cost. What is the total standard cost? What is the value of total?
12,000.
12,000. And what is total actual cost?
12,400.
So it is favorable or adverse?
It's adverse. 400 adverse.
Absolutely right. 400 adverse. Clear hai sabko? Next is, it is as similar as we had material variances. एक इसलिए मैंने वो एक समझा दिया. Even sales you'll find is the similar one. ये तो cost निकाल रहा हूँ. वैसे sales में भी आपको मजा आएगा. And today we will finish entire syllabus. I think on 5th you have exam, no? Of this paper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fifth. Fifth Jan.
Okay. So labor rate variance, again the formula is actual hours standard price minus actual price. Actual hours is given. These are actual hours for both X and Y. Standard price is here, actual price is here. Standard price is here, actual price is here. Okay. So what will be the value for X? 3,200 multiply by 2 minus 1.5. है ना?
1,600.
Will be getting 1,600. Whether it will be favorable or adverse?
Sir, it's favorable.
It will be favorable. Why? Because actual pricing of X is lesser than the standard price which is given to. Very nice. Similarly for Y, you do it with your own. You have the table value, put the value and get me the answer.
1,900.
Multiply by 3
3
minus
minus
4. Very nice. So now this time it will be favorable or adverse?
Adverse.
How much?
Sir, 1,900.
1,900.
Yes, 1,900 adverse. So what is the net effect? 1,600 favorable and 1,900 adverse. So what is the net effect?
300 adverse.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah.
This is how we will be doing it. Now, labor efficiency variance, which is for hours. So standard price, standard hours minus actual hours. Standard price is given. Standard hours minus actual hours. So standard price is 2. Standard hours 3,000. Actual hours 3,200. Am I right? वही वैल्यू आएगा ना x के लिए. तो क्या आएगा वैल्यू? फेवरेबल और एडवर्स?
400.
फेवरेबल और एडवर्स?
Sir, favorable. Sorry, adverse.
Adverse, because actual hours is taken more than
Yes, sir.
standard hours. So 400 adverse. Similarly, y का calculate करके मुझे बताइए.
$300 favorable.
Very good. 300 favorable. So what is the net effect, beta?
100 adverse.
Yeah, we have cross tally answers also. This plus this is equal to this. So what we are finding, as far as hours is concerned, x is favorable. X के लिए hours का favorable option है. But efficiency wise, rate wise, labor rate wise, X is better, favorable for the company. But efficiency wise, labor X is not better. It has adverse effect. Similarly, hours wise, rate wise, Y is adverse, but efficiency wise, Y is favorable. Good for the company. You know, this is how minutely you can get the detail and you can take corrective measures for betterment of the company. Now we will go for mixing. मैंने बोला था क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. This 3000 multiplied by 5100 divided by 3200. So how much the actual mix we will get? Revised standard mix. So revised standard mix हमने कर लिया 3000 multiplied by 5500 divided by 5000. How much value we will get? So this is revised standard mix for actual hours. X का वैल्यू कितना आएगा और Y का वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
$3060 सर X का वैल्यू.
और Y का?
सर 2040.
Thank you. So now how we will be calculating their variances? Standard rate, which is given 3 rupees and 2 rupees. Standard mix hours and actual mix hours. Standard mix hour is this. Actual mix hour is this. We'll take these two values. 3060 minus 3200 into 2. What will be the value?
$280.
Favorable or adverse?
Sir, it's favorable.
ध्यान से देख.
Sorry, adverse आएगा सर 3000.
हाँ, standard mix hours था 3060. Actually तूने 3200 लिया, तो ये adverse हो जाता है.
extra.
Okay बेटा, thank you. Similarly, Y का ढूंढो and get me the answer. Last. How much value you got for Y? Labor mix variance as बहुत simple है ना. इसका standard rate will be 3. Standard mix is 2040. Actual mix is 1900. So what value you will get?
420.
420.
Favorable or adverse?
Favorable.
Favorable.
So what is the net effect?
140. Favorable.
Absolutely right. समझ में आ रहा है? Average standard price क्या करेंगे? Total standard cost minus total input और output कितना है? 12,000 divided by 5,000. Then standard input minus actual input कितना आएगा देखो. सिंप्लीफाई करो. How much you got? And whether it is favorable or adverse. See, 12,000 divided by 5,000. How much you got? इतना complicated तो नहीं है यार, इतना time क्यों लग रहा है?
2.4. Good morning.
2.4 multiplied by 100. 2.4 multiplied by 100. 240. Now that will be favorable or adverse? ये favorable है या adverse है? Is adverse. Why?
240 adverse.
Because standard hours से total in actual input hours is more. So 240 adverse. So net effect क्या होगा? 240 adverse and 140 favorable. 100 adverse. 300 adverse and 100 adverse. 400 adverse. So our entire answer got tallied. इनके पास नहीं है, kindly take down entire answer. Then we'll go for next variant, that is sales variant. And by that, your syllabus will be over. These were the cost variances we calculated. Sales variances will be just reverse to this. इसका just opposite आएगा. In sales also we have sales value variant, sales price variant, sales volume variant, sales mix variant, sales quantity variant. Same है, जैसा material था, labor था, वैसे ही sales variances भी हैं. So sales value variance, total standard revenue minus total actual revenue. ठीक है? Sales price variance, actual quantities, standard price minus actual price. Sales quantity variance, sales price, standard quantity minus actual quantity. Sales mix variance, standard price, standard mix minus actual mix. It is similar as we had in material. कुछ भी नया नहीं है. ठीक है? But reverse हो जाएगा. जो यहाँ favorable था वो वहाँ adverse हो जाएगा. जो यहाँ adverse था वो वहाँ favorable होगा. Why? Because that is a revenue. So this is how your sales variance will be. These 5 sales variances. Sales value variance, sales price variance, sales quantity variance, sales mix variance, and sales variance. Completed? Then we'll go for question number 1. In question number 1, they have given, this is given budgeted. Budgeted means standard. And this is given actual. So again, there are 3 products, ABC, actual and standard details are given. So it will help us to make the table. So let us prepare the table. इसमें कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं, it is given as it is. So kindly make this table. Given standard and given actual. This is the table which is ready. For standard, this is quantity is taken this, rate is given this, amount is given this. If normal loss is not given, then input is equal to output. Because in material you will see there was a normal loss, then input output was different. Otherwise input and output will remain same. So now we'll calculate all the variances. You need to be very clever. So sales value variance, total standard revenue minus total actual revenue. Standard revenue is given 5,49,000. Actual revenue is given 5,72,370. Now tell me whether it will be favorable or adverse. बताओ ये फेवरेबल आएगा या एडवर्स आएगा? क्विकली
Favorable.
फेवरेबल आएगा और यही देखेंगे तो कॉस्ट में रिवर्स हो जाएगा क्योंकि एक्चुअल रेवेन्यू इज मोर देन स्टैंडर्ड रेवेन्यू. इट विल बी फेवरेबल. वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू. Similarly, actual quantity standard price minus actual price. Quantity is given 6,500, 10,000, 12,300. तीनों का दिया हुआ है. Standard price is 15, 14 likewise. So how this is how we are going to get the details. Now you need to tell me which is favorable and which is adverse quickly. First वाला तो बहुत आसान है. Difference is 1. So now tell me it is favorable or adverse.
Adverse.
Yes, very correct. 16,500 adverse. यहाँ 50 पैसे है यानी 5,000 हो जाएगा. ये फेवरेबल होगा या एडवर्स होगा?
Adverse.
Very good. Adverse. And this will be 10 paise. Favorable adverse. So actual revenue is lesser than actual pricing is lesser than the standard price. Total कितना adverse हो गया? 22,730. Similarly, standard price is given 15, 20, 12. Quantities are given. Standard quantity is given 15,000. Actual quantities are also given 16,500. So this is how we are going to get the detail. So whether it will be favorable or adverse. Standard 15,000 था. Actually 16,500 हमने बेचा. Quantity is more. So whether it will be favorable or
22,500.
so favorable or adverse?
Sir, adverse.
हाँ. स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी तुमको बेचना था 15,000, तूने एक्चुअली 16,500 बेचा. वही मैं बोला ये रिवर्स होता है. ये तेरे लिए फायदेमंद होगा या नुकसान होगा?
Favorable.
Favorable. यही एक चीज सीखना है बस. सेल्स में जस्ट रिवर्स हो जाता है देन द कॉस्ट.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Understood? Okay, thank you. This one is 20,000 again favorable. This is also favorable. So what is the net favorable? 46,100. This minus this is equal to this. तो यहाँ तक तो आंसर सही है. वैसे यहाँ भी कर लेंगे. Due to lack of time, I am just giving you the answer. We have less than a minute, but it is just reverse than the material and labor or overhead variance. With this, we have completed the syllabus. Of course, it is MCQs with certain practical questions. If you have any difficulties, feel free to contact me anytime. Wish you a very happy new year and all the very best for your annual exam, semester end exam. Almost entire answer